Minna no Nihongo Lesson 14 Part 2. Vocab. First, hanashimasu, speak, talk. Ego de hanashimasu, to speak in English. Second, tsukaimasu, use. Jisho o tsukaimasu, I use a dictionary. Third, tomemasu, stop, park. Kuruma o tomemasu, to park a car. Fourth, misemasu, show. Kazoku no shashi no misemasu, to show your family picture to someone. Fifth, oshiemasu, jusho o nani nani, tell an address. Tomodachi ni jusho o oshiemasu, I tell my address to my friend. Sixth, suwarimasu, sit down. Isu ni suwarimasu, to sit on a chair. 7. Tachimasu, stand up. Watashi no mae ni tatte iru hito wa Yamada-san desu. The person standing in front of me is Mr. Yamada. 8. Hairimasu, kissaten ni nani nani, enter a cafe. Bijitsukan ni hairimasu, I enter the art gallery. 9. Demasu, kissaten o nani nani, go out of a cafe. Eki o demashita, I left the station. 10. Furimasu, ame ga nani nani, rain. Asa kara ame ga futte imasu, it's been raining since morning. Grammar point 2. Verb te form. The verb form that ends with te or de is called the te form. The method by which the te form is created from the mas form depend on the group to which the verb belongs to. First group, first verb. When the last sound of the mas form is e, chi or ri, the e, chi or ri is dropped and te is attached. Example: kaimasu, katte, buy. Machimasu, matte, wait. Kaerimasu, kaete, go home, return. Second, when the last sound of the mas form is mi, bi or ni, the mi, bi or ni is dropped and ande is attached. Example: nomimasu, nonde, drink. Yobimasu, yonde, call. Ni shimasu, shinde, die. Third, when the last sound of the mas form is ki or gi, the ki or gi is dropped and ite or ide respectively is attached. Example: kakimasu, kaite, write. Isogimasu, isoide, hurry. However, ikimasu, go, is an exception and becomes itte. Fourth, when the last sound of the mas form is shi, te is added to the mas form. Example: kashimasu, kashite, lent. Second, group second verb. Te is added to the mas form. Example: tabemasu, tabete, eat. Mimasu, mite, see. Third, group third verb. Te is added to the mas form. Example: kimasu, kite, come. Shimasu, shite, do. Sampo shimasu, shampoo, shite, go for a walk.